On a beautiful March day, my parents and I enjoyed a quick hike in the Tebbs Bend Nature Area at the Toll House Trailhead in Campbellsville, Kentucky. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown in the area, we practiced social distancing while taking in the fresh, warm spring air. The trail connects to several other trails and even an overlook of the Green River Valley. The sound of bugs chirping and birds singing was a welcome sound, especially since we had been in quarantine for a few weeks. We made our way to Beaver Pond and then to the swamp along the river. The river was raging as the Green River Lake released into the Green River at rapid speeds. Aside from the tailwater just on the other side of the Green River Dam, Tebbs Bend is one of the first accessible drop-off points on the Green River.